Hey everybody, it's your Demon Joe here again with my championship belt shirt. The champ is here, as you can see, and I'm here to make some ham. Nice, delicious ham and lasagna. So here's the ham and lasagna. It's already cooked. It's making me love it. What do I need again? Oh, wait. Cold or hot, whatever you feel. I just prefer it. It's really good, huh? Ideal! This ham does. I want to heat up. I might just heat up. Go. I'm gonna make a sandwich with some bread. I just thought of a good idea. Be back in a minute. I got my ham. Mix it up. I'm gonna eat it, yeah. See you in the next video.